I'm Toby Hunter, and this is my 12.1 Digestion 101 presentation. Digestion starts with the mouth, otherwise known as the buccal cavity. Here, food is broken down through chewing and saliva is produced. Saliva lubricates the food so it travels smoothly and also produces amylase, which breaks down carbohydrates. The food then passes past the pharynx and down the esophagus via a series of muscle contractions called peristalsis. It enters the stomach. This is where food is combined with acid, which creates a mushy mixture called chyme. On top of this, protease is secreted, which breaks down proteins. Absorption begins when the chyme passes through the duodenum, which connects the stomach to the small intestine. Small intestine then acts as a nutribullet, smoothing the chyme into a pure liquid. It does this by absorbing all of the good nutrients, leaving a liquefied mixture of bad toxins and bacteria. At this point, the pancreas activates. This contains all of the enzymes that break down carbohydrates into glucose and smaller molecules, proteins into their amino acids, and fats into their fatty acids. The liver also activates, which produces bile that breaks down fats into fatty acids. Any excess bile is then passed to the gallbladder. The mixture then passes through the cecum, which is another connective tube that connects the small intestine with the large intestine. This is where excretion begins. The large intestine absorbs all of the water, leaving the bad toxins and bacteria behind in a solidified mixture. The rectum then sends signals to the brain when the body is ready to release these toxins, and then the solid is released through the anus. The kidneys serve a purpose of purifying blood and filter out all of the harmful toxins and bacteria in that blood, and also purifies water.